New words and expressions.
To break.
She always breaks the mirror. To eat.
They are eating pizza. To go.
He is going skating. To drink.
She is drinking water now. To buy.
He is buying a car now. To cut.
He is cutting the glass now. To draw.
She is drawing a picture now. To put.
They are putting the cake in the oven. To divide.
After 2 kilometers the road is divided to 2 ways. To remain.
Nothing remained for her after the earthquake. To memorize.
We had to memorize the words and spellings when we went to school. To discuss.
She is discussing all things about their business. Half an hour.
The green part shows half an hour. Fridge.
Their fridge was full. Different.
His umbrella had a different color. It was red. Definition: simple past tense. The simple past is a verb tense that is used to talk about things that happened or existed before now. For example, he went to the gym yesterday.
Subject pronouns with simple past form of the verb go. I went. You went. He went. She went. It went. We went. You went. They went.
Point 1. As you noticed, the simple past form of the verb is the same for different subjects. For example, went.
Rule 1. Verbs are divided into 2 groups, according to their form in the simple past tense. Regular and irregular verbs. Irregular verbs change or remain unchanged in the simple past tense. For example, to go, that changes to went, and to put, that remains unchanged. We discussed regular verbs before. Unfortunately, there's no rule for making the past form of irregular verbs, and you should memorize them.
Compare simple present tense, present continuous tense, and simple past tense examples. Notice how the verbs change in different tenses.
She eats cake every day.
She ate pizza yesterday.
He goes to work on foot every day.
He went to work by bike yesterday.
She is drinking water now.
She drank wine last night.
She breaks the mirror every month.
She broke her cell phone yesterday.
He is buying a car now.
He bought a house last year.
He always cuts his hand.
He cut his leg last week.
He draws pictures every day.
His brother drew a picture yesterday.
He is putting the eggs in the fridge now.
They put the cake in the oven, half an hour ago.